This headstone caught my attention because, for as small as it was absolutely covered in lichens and biological growth, to the point I couldn't even read the name. So this is the headstone of Henry Stracke, and Henry was born in Germany in 1844. His family immigrated to the United States soon after Henry was born, and they arrived in Fairfield County in 1845. In 1866, Henry married Mary Neller, and they had at least 8 children together. They lived in a house on Canal Street, which is now known as Forest Rose, and Henry worked as a weaver. Before his 44th birthday, Henry passed away from consumption, which is what they called tuberculosis in those days, because it looked like the body was actually consuming itself from the inside.